Hey there, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about one of the hottest topics on YouTube. Making money. Yes, that's right, you can earn big bucks just by creating valuable content and sharing it with the world. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, there are plenty of ways to monetize your YouTube channel and turn your passion into a profitable business. We'll be covering everything from ad revenue and sponsorships to merchandise sales and crowdfunding. We'll also share some tips and tricks for building a loyal fan base, engaging with your audience, and staying up to date with YouTube's monetization policies. So, if you're ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level and start earning some serious income, then keep watching. We've got everything you need to know to get started. Making money on YouTube is a popular topic because it offers a unique opportunity for creators to earn money doing something they love. But, it's important to note that building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. You need to produce high-quality content that engages your audience and keeps them coming back for more. This means that you need to have a clear understanding of your niche and target audience, and tailor your content to their interests and preferences. Another key factor in earning money on YouTube is building a strong community around your channel. This means engaging with your viewers through comments, social media, and other platforms, and fostering a sense of connection and trust with your audience. By building a loyal fan base, you can increase your chances of success and build a sustainable income stream. There are multiple ways to earn money from YouTube. Some of the most popular methods include ad revenue, sponsorships and brand deals, merchandise sales, fan funding, affiliate marketing, and crowdfunding. Each method has its own pros and cons, and the best approach will depend on your goals, niche, and audience. So, I'll give you more information on each of these ways to make income from YouTube. Number 1. Ad revenue. YouTube pays creators a portion of the revenue generated from ads that appear on their videos. To be eligible for ad revenue, creators must meet certain requirements, such as having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the last 12 months, or 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views on shorts within the last 90 days. Number 2. Sponsorships and brand deals. Companies may pay creators to promote their products or services in their videos. This can include product reviews, sponsored content, or collaborations with brands. To attract sponsorships, creators need to have a significant following and a specific niche that aligns with the brand's values. Number 3. Merchandise and products. Creators can sell their own merchandise or products directly on YouTube. This can include physical items like t-shirts, hats, and mugs, as well as digital products like ebooks or courses. To be successful with merchandise sales, creators need to have a loyal fan base that is interested in purchasing their products. Number 4. Super Chat and Super Stickers. Super Chat and Super Stickers are features that allow viewers to purchase virtual items during live streams to support creators. This can include highlighted messages or animated stickers that appear in the chat. Number 5. Channel memberships. Creators can offer exclusive perks and content to viewers who become channel members. This can include early access to videos, behind-the-scenes content, and private live streams. Number 6. YouTube Premium Revenue. YouTube Premium is a subscription service that allows users to watch videos without ads. Creators earn a portion of the revenue generated from YouTube Premium subscriptions based on watch time. Number 7. Affiliate marketing. Creators can earn commissions by promoting products or services through affiliate links in their videos. This can include a wide range of products, from beauty products to tech gadgets. Number 8. Crowdfunding. Crowdfunding is a way for creators to raise funds for their content by soliciting donations from viewers. This can include one-time donations or ongoing support through platforms like Patreon. Number 9. Fan funding. Fan funding is similar to crowdfunding, but it involves viewers making direct donations to support their favorite creators. This can be done through platforms like PayPal or Venmo. Number 10. Live performances and events. Creators can earn income by hosting live events or performances, such as concerts or meet and greets. This can provide a unique opportunity for creators to connect with their fans in person and generate income outside of their YouTube channel. One thing to keep in mind is that YouTube's monetization policies are constantly changing, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest guidelines and requirements to ensure that you're eligible to earn money on the platform. It's also important to note that while making money on YouTube can be lucrative, it's not a guaranteed source of income. Your earnings will depend on a variety of factors, including the number of views and clicks on your ads, the type of content you create, and the size and engagement of your audience. Here are some tips and tricks for building a successful YouTube channel. Number 1. Define your niche. Identify the specific topic or topics your channel will cover, and make sure your content is targeted towards a specific audience. This will help you stand out in a crowded market and attract viewers who are interested in your content. Number 2. Create high-quality content. Invest in quality equipment and editing software to ensure that your videos look and sound professional. Consider hiring a professional editor or videographer if you need help improving the quality of your content. Number 3. Be consistent. Set a regular schedule for uploading new content and stick to it. This will help you build a loyal audience that knows when to expect new videos from you. Number 4. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and engage with your viewers on social media. This will help you build a strong community around your channel and foster a sense of connection and trust with your audience. Number 5. Collaborate with other creators. Consider collaborating with other creators in your niche to reach new audiences and build your network. This can include guest appearances on each other's channels, joint projects, or cross-promotion on social media. Number 6. Optimize your videos for search. Use relevant keywords and tags in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to help your videos appear in search results. Use YouTube's Keyword Planner tool to identify popular keywords and phrases related to your niche. Number 7. Promote your channel on other platforms. Use social media, email marketing, and other platforms to promote your channel and reach new audiences. Consider running ads on social media or using influencer marketing to reach a broader audience. Number 8. Stay up to date with YouTube's policies. YouTube's policies and guidelines are constantly changing, so make sure you stay up to date with the latest requirements for monetization, content creation, and community guidelines. By following these tips and tricks, you can increase your chances of building a successful YouTube channel that generates income and allows you to share your passion with the world. Ultimately, making money on YouTube requires a combination of creativity, persistence, and business acumen. By staying focused on your goals, building a strong community around your channel, and exploring different monetization strategies, you can increase your chances of success and build a sustainable income stream doing something you love. Making money on YouTube takes time, effort, and dedication, but it's definitely possible. Whether you're creating content for fun or as a career, there are plenty of ways to monetize your channel and earn a living doing what you love. So, go ahead and start creating. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one. See you in the next one.